going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I got my first couple paychecks from YouTube, and I just want to say thanks to all my subscribers and people have been watching my videos. It's pretty cool to make a little bit of money making these videos, so just thanks again for that. So I took some of the money and went up to my buddy's shop, Frank's Automotive, up here in Clarksville, Indiana, and picked me up this SCT X4 programmer. I'm gonna throw it on my pickup truck here. If y'all watch some of my videos, you've probably seen this truck in the background or something. A little info on this thing: it is a 99 F250 7.3 Powerstroke Diesel, and it has let's see, 60,957 original miles on this thing. So if anyone's ever owned one of these trucks or driven one of them stock, you know they're pretty sluggish. So I decided to use some of this money I've been making, throw a tuner on this truck and see if we can get a little bit of power out of it and a little better drivability. So I'm not looking to make a big power or anything, but you know, something just to give a little better drivability, a little bit more power, you know, towing stuff too. So let's go ahead and open this box up and see what we got inside. There we go. Blah blah blah. USB cable. And there we have it. We got the tuner right here. Pull the sticker off. Got our cable here. We'll plug her up somewhere. There we go. Let's go ahead and plug her up to the truck. All right, there we go. Download complete. All right, guys, we got the tunes loaded on the truck. I'm not gonna go make any test runs right now because I've actually got a load of watermelons on here right now. So I'll probably be making another video here soon, you know, kind of reviewing the tuner or whatever. I plan on taking this thing up to the dyno, see what kind of numbers we can put down stock and with the programmer. So if you all want to see that video, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you want to see a video of that, see what kind of power this 60,000 mile truck can do stock, and then we'll add the 3 different tunes. It's got tow, street, and performance tune on it. And also let me know if I was thinking about adding some custom tuning to this programmer. Let me know if you know of any tuner that has good tunes for this truck. You can leave that down in a comment below too. Appreciate that. So I guess that's just going to be it for today's video. Just thanks again, subscribers and everybody watching. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video to see more on this truck. And thanks for watching.